Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again with a new video. In this video here I will show you how we can enable the dual clock feature on the S15.7.5. As you can check here in this video, I'm using the iPhone 7. So as you can see, the software version is 15.7.5. So I will show you how we can get the dual clock feature on the older iPhones that are not supported iOS 16. In iOS 16 you can easily set up the dual clock just like this one. As you can see, these are the dual clock on the iPhone lock screen on iOS 16. I will show you how we can get the same in iOS 15.7.5. So make sure you follow the complete steps in this video so that you can easily set up the dual clock on the iPhone 7, 6s, iPhone 7 Plus models. So let's get started how we can do. So firstly, in this method we just need to install a application. So this is the Vigi app. So go and install this application on the iPhone. So this is the free app. You can easily install this application on any iPhone. So after installing this app, now open this application here just like this one. As you can see, this is the interface, and now firstly tap on this Explorer. So when you tap on this Explorer, we just need to swipe up and you will see there are medium, small and large size widgets. So we just need to pick up this lock screen time here and just tap on this one and click on this import and click on this dismiss, and now just tap on this manage and click on this set transparent background, and we just need to set up here the screenshot of the empty home screen. So as you can see, this is the screenshot of the empty home screen, and just tap on this one and click on this tick option, and now select here the iPhone. So this is the iPhone 7, and after selecting your iPhone, now scroll up and you will see there is a medium Vigi slot. Just tap on this one here and now select here that particular lock screen time and click on this tick option. And when you tap on this widget, now go on the iPhone home screen and simply give a long tap and click on this plus icon and swipe up and find out the Vigi application, and just tap on this and swipe up to the right side or left side, and now you will see this is the medium Vigi slot and click on this add. As you can see, now these are the different kinds of dual clock on the iPhone lock screen, and first one is the iPhone status bar and second one is the iPhone home screen. So this is the way you can easily set up the dual clock on the iPhone 7, 6s, iPhone 7 Plus that are currently running on as 15.7.5. I hope you guys find this method helpful. Please give a like and also share this video with your friends so guys they can also enable the dual clock feature on the older devices. So I will see you in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching.